A very dear friend of mine went to South Africa for a couple of months. South Africa is a country located at the southern tip of Africa. I'm sorry to say this presentation will not be talking about its beautiful landscape or tourist places to visit. Unfortunately, this time we'll be talking about AIDS. The spread of AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is an alarming problem in South Africa, with up to 31% of pregnant women found to be HIV infected in 2005. The link between HIV, a virus spread primarily by sexual contact, and AIDS has long been denied by the President and the Health Minister, who have insisted that the many deaths in the country are due to malnutrition and hence poverty, and not HIV. Although HIV prevention campaigns usually encourage people to use condoms and have fewer sexual partners, women and girls in South Africa are often unable to negotiate safer sex and are frequently involved with men who have several sexual partners. They are also particularly vulnerable to sexual abuse and rape and are economically and socially subordinate to men. With many women who are HIV positive still not receiving drugs that could prevent them passing HIV to their babies, HIV infections are alarmingly common amongst children in South Africa. According to government antenatal surveys, there were around 260,000 children aged below 15 living with HIV in South Africa in 2006. Many kids and youngsters are left alone without a mother or father to take care of them. Their parents had already been infected with the disease and died. These kids need everybody's help. Many people have raised march in and outside the country to help spread the consequences of this horrible burden, but there is still ignorance about the ways to prevent it. Many suggestions could be provided. Some celebrities have offered their help and money to support the campaigns. Many programs can be developed to, at least, help kids after they have lost their parents. Adoption has been one of them. Other people like Peter have created a blog to help kids get food and education to overcome this situation. Some others have collaborated with the Big Brothers program, a campaign in which people offer to be a relative or family member to help those children in need in South Africa. These little people are waiting for our help. There are many problems in the world, but I think protecting our children is the first one to be written in our list.